Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 37, Arithmetic Progression, Section A, Easy. Let's start. Four numbers are inserted between the numbers 4 and 39 such that they an AP results. Find the biggest of the four numbers. Means what? 4 and 39. 4 is the first term and 39 is the last term, and in between some four numbers are inserted which form an AP. Means all these together form an AP. Now they form an AP means what? The difference between the first and the second, second and the third, third and the fourth will be same up to n, up to last term. Okay. So what we have to find out? Find the fourth number. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. S we have to find out. So let the four numbers is P, Q, R and S. Okay. So they are in sequence now. AP. Now Tn equals to, what is the formula for AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now these are four numbers and 4 is first. It means total there are 6 numbers. Okay. So T6 equals to A plus, A means 4 over here, plus n. 6 minus 1. N is what we require, the number which we require. T6, so 6. Okay. 6 minus 1 into D. Right. D we don't know. So 39 equals to 4 plus 5 into D. Right. Solve this and you will get D equals to 7. But what we require? The S. S means which is the number from the start? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. T5 we require. So T5 equals to A plus 5 minus 1 into D, 7, and A is 4. So solve this. 4 plus 28 equals to 32. So the number is 32. Can you find what are the other numbers? 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25 then 32, then 39. Okay. Next, the ratio of the sum of the m and n terms of an AP is m square is to n square. Then find the ratio of the terms, basically Tm and Tn, means ratio of the mth term and nth term. What is given? Sum of the m and n terms. Sum means what? Sn, right? See the difference. Term is different and sum is different. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.